The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a tribute to the iconic past, blending retro design cues with cutting-edge technology to appeal to modern automotive enthusiasts. Designed to evoke memories of the golden era of American cars, this model revives the nameplate that was synonymous with the stylish cruisers of the 1950s and 60s. However, this isn't merely a nostalgic trip back in time. Chevrolet has engineered the 2025 Bel Air to be a formidable competitor in the modern luxury and performance market. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air carries forward the timeless elegance of its predecessors, with a focus on blending vintage charm with contemporary styling. The vehicle's body is a carefully sculpted masterpiece that pays homage to the classic Bel Air's chrome-laden exteriors, fins, and broad grille while incorporating modern aerodynamic features. The front fascia of the 2025 Bel Air is adorned with a prominent chrome grille, slightly reminiscent of the original's horizontal bar design, flanked by LED headlights with sleek, sharp outlines. The headlights are integrated with daytime running lights that give the vehicle a distinctive and futuristic look, while the chrome accents around the windows, bumpers, and door handles keep the nostalgic aesthetic alive. The 2025 Bel Air retains the long, flowing lines that harken back to the golden age of cruising sedans, though it has been adapted for a more aerodynamic and streamlined look. The rear is where the design truly shines, with tailfins subtly referenced in the shape of the taillights, blending the past and present. Step inside the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, and you'll find a luxurious and futuristic cabin, thoughtfully designed to offer a balance between nostalgic cues and state-of-the-art technology. The interior retains a 1950s aesthetic charm, but it is infused with high-end materials such as soft leather, brushed aluminum, and modern polymers. Seating in the 2025 Bel Air is plush and comfortable, with a bench-style front seat option available, echoing the spacious interiors of the 50s, but with all the ergonomic adjustments and heated/ventilated features one would expect from a luxury vehicle in this segment. The materials available for the upholstery include premium Napa leather and vintage-inspired fabrics that match the exterior colors of the car. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air isn't just about looks, it delivers impressive performance, too. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, which produces around 275 horsepower, enough to offer spirited performance for everyday driving. For those seeking more power, an available 3.6-liter V6 offers over 340 horsepower, providing a more exhilarating driving experience. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a masterclass in blending nostalgia with modern engineering. While it calls back to the glory days of American automobiles, it incorporates all of the technological advancements and performance features expected of a car in today's market. The EXT